Hi friends, now you are all clear fundamental data types are immutable. But object reusability concept is only available for int, float, bool and string data type, not applicable for complex data type. Okay, up to this you all clear why immutability is required. Now you may ask for mutability. Give an example for mutability. So I will show you a small example for basic idea. A equal to 10. Okay, I'm using list. List will be represent group of object like L equal to square bracket 10 comma 20 comma Dinesh, like this is a list. Okay, if I mention print of id of L, I will show you. It is showing on an object address. Okay, if I am trying to change L of 0 equal to 7777, now I am trying to print L, it is changed, right? Now I am trying to change the content of the list is mutable, so the performance is changes in the existing object. Okay, let's check the address of this one. Now the same address, but the first value is L of 0 is changed, 10 is replaced to 7777. Okay, so all the changes will perform in existing object only. Okay, so the list is one of the best example for the mutable concept. Okay, but I will explain you clear about list concept in my next video. But just give some basic idea about this one for a mutable thing. Okay, I will show you another example. I am mentioning the same thing. L equal to 10 20 Dini, and L equal to L1 equal to L. Okay, now I am printing L and printing the L1, same thing. Now in L I am going to change the first index as Python. Now I am printing L Python 20 Dini, it is replaced. Okay, now check whether the L2 is changed or not. Sorry, L1 is changed because we mentioned L1 equal to L. So whatever changes in L1 L, it will reflect to the L1 also. Okay, if I give L1 of 0 first value equal to 15. Now check first L value, print the L, it is changed. L1, it is also changed. Up to this, we need to know all fundamental data types are immutable. Once we create an object, we can't perform any changes in that object. If we trying to change, automatically a new object will be created. So why immutability is required? Because of object reusability concept internally. So the best example for mutability is a list. But anyway, in the next video, we're going to use both mutable and immutable repeatedly. So we should have some clarity in this stage only. Okay. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe it.